In this video, we're diving into how to keep your GoHighLevel account tidy by using tags and custom fields for segmentation. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you become a master at GoHighLevel. Now, if you've ever found yourself drowning in a messy contact list or struggling to send the right message to the right person, this video is for you. We'll walk through what tags and custom fields are, why they matter, and how to use them to create clean, dynamic segments without getting lost in endless lists. Why segmentation matters. So have you ever received a generic email that felt completely irrelevant to you? That's the result of poor segmentation. On the flip side, when a message speaks directly to your needs, like a reminder about a webinar that you signed up for or a discount on a product you've been eyeing, feels like magic. Behind that magic is smart segmentation. It's the difference between blasting your entire list with the same message and delivering content that resonates. Today, you'll learn how to create that magic using tags and custom fields in GoHighLevel. Understanding tags. Tags are simple labels you attach to contacts. Think of them as sticky notes that you use to mark certain people based on their behavior or status. Tag could indicate someone attended a webinar, downloaded a guide, or is part of a VIP program. Tags are quick to create and apply, and they allow you to group contacts on the fly. Benefits of using tags. Organization. Tags help you stay organized by letting you see at a glance how many people fit in a certain category. You can quickly pull up all webinar attendees or high-ticket leads without scrolling through a giant list. Targeted communication. When you tag people based on interests or actions, you can send them messages tailored to what they care about. For example, sending a follow-up sequence only to those tagged as interested in demo. Automation triggers. Tags can trigger automated workflows. So if someone is tagged as new lead, it can kick off a welcome sequence. Remove a tag and the workflow stops. It's like flipping a switch that turns automation on or off. Flexibility. You can add multiple tags to the same contact. A single person might be tagged as both customer and VIP, allowing you to target them for loyalty rewards or upsells. Tagging best practices. Keep tag names clear and consistent. Use a naming convention like status action. For example, lead, webinar registered, or customer, upsell buyer. Avoid tag overload. It's easy to create tags for everything, but too many tags can get messy. Group similar actions under broader tags when possible. Use tags for short-term labels. Tags are great for identifying events or short-term states. For more permanent data, rely on custom fields. Review and clean tags regularly. Once a campaign ends, remove or archive tags that you don't need anymore. This keeps your system lean. Working with custom fields. Custom fields are like extra columns in your contact database that store specific details beyond the default information. Instead of just names and emails, you can capture data like lead score, purchase amount, appointment date, or any detail that matters to your business. Types of custom fields. Contact custom fields. These store information tied to the contact, such as their industry, budget, or favorite product. They follow the content across all interactions. Opportunity custom fields. These track details about a specific deal or opportunity, like deal value or stage probability. They help you forecast and manage pipelines. When to use custom fields versus tags. It's easy to confuse tags with custom fields because both categorize contacts. Here's a quick way to choose. Use a tag for temporary labels, actions, or membership in a group. Tags change often and can be removed as actions change. Use a custom field to store long-term data. Custom fields hold information that you want to keep, like a customer's lifetime value or preferred language. Setting up custom fields. To create a custom field, go to the settings section in GoHighLevel and select custom fields. Choose new field. Give your field a clear name. Select the data type, whether it's text, number, date, etc., and save it. Once created, it appears on your contact record, forms, and can be used in automations. Benefits of custom fields. Data consistency. Collect structured information. Instead of everyone writing yes or why for a question, you use a drop-down or a checkbox. Better personalization. Pull specific details into messages using merge fields. More on that in another video. Advanced segmentation. You can filter your contacts based on a custom field. For example, if your custom field is interest level with choices high, medium, and low, you can create segments for each group. Reporting. Use custom fields to generate reports. If you store purchase amounts, you can run analytics on average order value. Now, if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, if you don't already have an account, we've got a link for you down in the description below to get an extended 30-day free trial. Just click on the link down below so you can go ahead and get a full month to GoHighLevel to try it out and see if it's going to be the right tool for you and your business. Dynamic dynamic segmentation without messy lists. So before we had dynamic segments, most marketers built static lists. You'd manually add people to a list like newsletter subscribers or webinar attendees. The problem? Lists don't update on their own. If a new person opts in, you must remember to add them. Tags and custom fields help, but GoHighLevel offers an even better solution. Smart lists and segments that automatically update. Smart lists and segments. Smart lists are live filters on your database. They're like saved searches that automatically update when someone meets or stops meeting the criteria. For example, you can create a smart list of all contacts tagged customer and VIP who have not purchased in 60 days. As soon as someone qualifies, they appear on the list. When they buy again, they drop off. Segments are similar, but often used in emails. You define conditions like tags, fields, and activity, and GoHighLevel continuously checks who fits. It's like having a dynamic list without ever manually adding or removing contacts. Building a segment step by step. Choose your criteria. Decide what you want to filter by. Tags, custom fields, date of last purchase, geographic location, etc. Then combine conditions. You can use and/or logic to refine. For example, tag is customer and custom field is interest level is high or last purchase date is within last 30 days. Then preview your results. GoHighLevel shows who matches instantly. Adjust conditions until the segment looks right. Save and reuse. Once it's saved, you can use this segment in email broadcasts or SMS campaigns. It updates automatically. All right, so let's real quick go ahead and take a look inside of GoHighLevel so you can go ahead and see where to find all this stuff. So here inside of GoHighLevel, we can come down here to settings, and here we have tags. So this is where you can go ahead and create new tags. So to create a new tag, come up here, click on new tag, and again, something like VIP customer would be a good option for a tag. And you go ahead and click create. Looks like I've already created that, so GoHighLevel is preventing me from doing so. So maybe I have this as high value customer. Create that, and now we can go ahead and tag our contacts as high value customer. Above that, we have custom fields. So this is where we can go ahead and create custom fields. So come up here, click on add fields, and here we can go ahead and select that custom field. Maybe we want it to be a phone number, maybe we want it to be a checkbox. We can go ahead and change that option here by selecting it, and after we go ahead, maybe we want it to be monetary value, go ahead and click next. Then we could give it a name, so maybe this is like deal amount or what have you. And you can go ahead and fill this stuff out. There's also additional preferences below, and go ahead and click save, and that's how you go ahead and create a custom field. Messy lists happen when you rely solely on static lists and manual updates. Instead, use tags for quick labeling and short campaigns. When the campaign ends, remove unnecessary tags. Use custom fields or permanent information and deeper personalization. Use smart lists and segments to let the system automatically manage who belongs where. Think of segments as living lists that maintain themselves. Combining tags and custom fields. The real power of segmentation comes when you combine tags and custom fields. For instance, imagine you run a fitness coaching business. You might have a custom field called membership level with options like free, basic, and premium. You also use tags to track actions like completed fitness assessment or purchase nutrition plan. Now you can create segments like premium members who completed the assessment but haven't purchased the nutrition plan. Free members who attended a webinar in the last 30 days. Basic members with a high lead score greater than 80 and no booking yet. Each segment gets tailored communication based on their status and actions. Here's an example workflow. Targeted upsell campaign. Now let's talk through a simple example to see how tags and custom fields work together. Collect data. You have a custom field called plan type and tags like interested in upsell and purchased upsell. Segment your audience. Build a smart list of all clients with plan type equals basic and tag equals interested in upsell. Create a targeted message. Send an email or SMS specifically talking about the benefits of upgrading to premium. Use merge fields to insert their name and maybe their current plan. Then trigger automation. If they click the upgrade link, apply the tag purchased upsell and remove interested in upsell. Trigger a thank you sequence and update their custom field to plan type equals premium. Report and refine. Monitor how many people upgrade. Adjust your tag logic or messaging based on results. This simple workflow shows how a few well-placed tags and custom fields can create a personalized, dynamic campaign without messy lists. Best practices for maintaining clean data. Plan before tagging. Take a few minutes to outline the tags that you need for your campaigns and avoid creating duplicates. Use folders for custom fields. GoHighLevel lets you organize custom fields into folders, so keep similar fields together. For example, client info, preferences, purchase details. Then train your team. If multiple people are tagging contacts, agree on naming conventions and when to use tags versus custom fields. Automate data hygiene. Use workflows to remove outdated tags or update custom fields when certain conditions are met. Regularly audit. Once a month, review your tags and custom fields. Clean up anything that you no longer use. Segmentation doesn't have to be messy. By combining tags, custom fields, smart lists, and segments, you can build a system that keeps itself organized and allows you to send the right message to the right person at the right time. Start small. Define a few key tags, set up essential custom fields, and create a smart list for your next campaign. Over time, you'll see how powerful and efficient your marketing becomes. So if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get that extended 30-day free trial. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And this support really helps out the channel and lets us keep making free GoHighLevel tutorials, walkthroughs, and deep dives. So if you end up using them, seriously, we thank you so much. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another GoHighLevel video. Here on GoHighLevel Mastery, we teach you how to get more clients, automate smarter, and grow your business using GoHighLevel the right way, whether you're brand new or leveling up your agency. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.